Got some airbags on this 2500 truck here. So there's a bumper stop here. Ordered this off Amazon. It's Firestone. And you undo the bolts from the inside, or you just cut it off, take the tear off, cut the bolts with a sawzall, hammer that bump stop off, and then you just start assembling your parts onto the airbag before you put it in. And don't tighten the bolt at the bottom yet, underneath. Everything else can be tightened, the two bolts up here. And you fit it in, put your bolts aligned here, line this up right up against the side of the leaf spring, and you mark it where you want it, and it's flat and level. Take it out and tighten it up at that mark. Just scrape around here and put a line flat this way, both directions. And you can put it back in, and got two bolts holding this on, two more holding this on around the axle here, and two up here. After that, you push in your line, and you can either run it directly outside the frame here, or use a pump system compressor, or put it to the back bumper right here. And you just bolt these on after drilling some holes through the plastic. And the same thing for the other side. The only difference with that side is it's got the heat shield for the exhaust pipe there. And this one, brake line, you gotta just loosen it up a bit so you can fit that bolt in if you have to move it, and tighten it up after. And these are rated for 7,500 pounds. There's 5,000 pound ones too. 7,500 makes more sense. Makes your tires stay on the ground a lot better. Less body roll when you're driving too. And you can carry a lot more, and it's a bit more comfortable. Less bouncing around. Drives less like a truck. So that's kind of nice too. That's only about 100 psi. And you can see the leaf springs. There's pretty much no weight from the truck on it, bearing on it, so those airbags are helping out a lot, taking that weight. This truck here should have one too. That one's got way bigger springs, so it's okay for now. Yeah, every 2,500 truck should have them. We've got 3 sets for the Dodge 2,500 and the 2 GMC Chevy 2,500s. So we can actually use them for backups if we have to move equipment or trailers or something, or put some weight in the back.